In 2017, a group called Anonymous, comprised of hackers and online activists, gained attention by claiming to possess hidden knowledge kept secret by those in power. One of their revelations caused a sensation, as they announced that NASA, the renowned US space agency, was preparing to disclose the existence of alien life. Anonymous's website featured a warning proclaiming that NASA had confirmed the imminent arrival of extraterrestrial beings. However, this was just the beginning of their bold actions. In addition to the website announcement, Anonymous released a highly controversial video in which they presented statements from respected astronauts and space scientists who supported the existence of aliens. According to these esteemed individuals, aliens have been visiting Earth and attempting to establish contact with humanity for some time. The video also highlighted various sightings of extraterrestrial objects and creatures, which were regarded as evidence of an extraordinary phenomenon occurring in our skies. Among the sources cited by Anonymous was Brian OLeary, a prominent American scientist, author, and former NASA astronaut. OLeary was part of NASA's 6th astronaut group, selected and trained for the Apollo applications program with a potential mission to Mars. His expertise in planetary science earned him a unique position as the sole scientist in the astronaut corps during the Apollo program. OLeary's scholarly work on Mars, including his 1967 PhD thesis on the planet's surface, garnered considerable attention and respect. In Anonymous's video, they quoted OLeary, who had expressed his belief in the existence of alien life and their interaction with Earth. According to the video, OLeary stated that there is ample evidence of contact and that civilizations have been observing us for an extended period. He also described the physical appearance of these beings as peculiar and distinct from the conventional Western perception. OLeary explained that these visitors utilize advanced technologies, such as consciousness-based machinery and co-rotating magnetic disks, for their propulsion systems. This suggests that the aliens indeed employ spacecraft resembling the popular notion of flying saucers to traverse not only the universe but potentially other dimensions as well. In another revelation, Anonymous shared a different video that showcased a UFO captured on camera. According to Anonymous, many videos depicting unidentified objects observed on Earth or in space undergo extensive censorship. They claimed that the specific video they presented had been concealed from the public, but they were determined to unveil the truth to everyone. The origin of the footage remains unknown, and its quality is subpar. Naturally, scientists and authorities dismiss these claims of extraterrestrial activity in our skies. However, a few years later, even the US Department of Defense acknowledged the existence of these peculiar unidentified flying objects, which had been sighted and recorded on multiple occasions. To avoid sparking speculations about extraterrestrial involvement, they coined the term unidentified aerial phenomena instead. These released videos further strengthen the notion that we are not alone in the vast universe. Perhaps Anonymous was indeed telling the truth about the heavy censorship surrounding UFO sighting videos. The Pentagon confirmed the authenticity of these videos, stating that the first incident was filmed off the California coast in 2004. It depicted an oval-shaped object hovering and defying the laws of physics. The second UFO was recorded as it raced across the ocean's surface. Moving on to another point, Anonymous asserted in their video that the existence of exoplanets serves as solid evidence for the presence of intelligent alien life in the universe surrounding us. Not too long ago, roughly 25 years ago, scientists believed that planets outside our solar system did not exist. However, as time passed, they were proven wrong. The video accurately highlights the discovery of the first exoplanets in 1992. These exoplanets refer to planets that orbit stars beyond our own solar system. Experts have identified approximately 3,400 exoplanets so far, revealing a significant aspect of humanity's quest to search for life in the ever-expanding cosmos. Although there is much ground to cover, it is essential to begin with the understanding that planets resembling those in our solar system do exist. This year, the renowned James Webb Space Telescope astounded scientists with its awe-inspiring images of space. Researchers are now eager to utilize this remarkable tool to study the atmospheres of exoplanets, searching for indications of alien life. Their hope is that one or more of these exoplanets will exhibit chemical signatures associated with life. Moving on to another aspect, the controversial anonymous video introduced the possibility that the FBI possesses evidence regarding the masked individual featured in the footage. According to Anonymous, this individual claimed to possess unclassified FBI documents that are accessible to the general public. These documents allegedly contain information asserting that extraterrestrial beings have been visiting Earth for an extended period. Furthermore, the documents supposedly contain accounts of beings from other dimensions making contact with us. This information could potentially relate to the infamous Roswell UFO incident of 1947. A group of UFO enthusiasts known as the Majestic 7 maintains that the incident indeed occurred. However, the FBI dismissed the entire story as baseless and referred to it as bogus. The FBI emphasized that no redactions have been made to the documents available online, indicating that they are not withholding any information. Anonymous further clarified that the document pertaining to alien visits and interdimensional travelers did not originate from the FBI. Instead, it was allegedly a paper published by a university department head. Nonetheless, the FBI deemed its content highly significant, leading to its inclusion in their online archive. Due to the document's age, its reliability remains uncertain. When it comes to matters involving aliens, the truth is often elusive, leaving us uncertain about what to believe. Number 5 introduces an esoteric theory stemming from the FBI documents and their mention of visitors from other dimensions. This revelation has sparked speculation among alien enthusiasts and conspiracy theorists who propose that these alien beings may not originate from a distant planet. According to the anonymous video, these entities could potentially belong to an alternate realm intertwined with our own. In fact, the theory suggests that these beings may hail from an etheric plane that coexists with Earth, although our limited human senses are unable to perceive it fully. Individuals with a deeper understanding of esotericism may find it somewhat easier to grasp this concept. The video released by Anonymous goes on to state that these alien beings, who share our plane of existence, possess the ability to consciously enter and exit our reality at will. They can choose to reveal themselves to us or vanish from our sight entirely. In this alternative plane, these alien sources might be engaged in their daily activities, with extraterrestrial beings casually commuting to work as if it were an entirely ordinary occurrence. However, our human perception is unable to perceive this coexistence. Anonymous proposes that these aliens frequently visit our plane of existence as they contemplate the possibility of settling here. Perhaps they are gradually revealing themselves to humanity, laying the groundwork for a potential future interaction between our species. It is also claimed that these alien beings are significantly more technologically advanced than us and would not be affected by any form of violence from our side. Moreover, there is a real possibility that they could pose a threat to us, so it is advisable not to provoke them if they do reveal themselves. Moving on to another topic, number 6 explores Trappist 1, a nearby dwarf star briefly mentioned in the anonymous video. Trappist 1 is an ultra-cool red star located in the Aquarius constellation, and it possesses a planetary system similar to ours. Currently, there are 7 known planets within this system. Trappist 1 has a mass equivalent to about 9% of our Sun's mass, and its radius is slightly larger than that of Jupiter. The surface temperature of this dwarf star measures approximately 2,293 degrees Celsius. It is situated 40.7 light-years away from our Sun and has an estimated age of around 7.6 billion years. The planets in the Trappist 1 system bear resemblance to Earth, and further investigations into this unique solar system have revealed intriguing details. Some of the planets orbiting Trappist 1 might possess even more water than our own planet. In the planets closer to the star, water primarily exists in the form of vapor. The middle planets have liquid water, similar to Earth, while the farthest ones contain water in the form of ice. The anonymous video argues that there could potentially exist an entire alien civilization inhabiting some, if not all, of the planets within Trappist 1's planetary system. Although this is a speculative notion, the abundance of water raises the possibility that microbial life forms could thrive within this system. Number 7 focuses on the Perseverance rover. The anonymous video reveals that scientists believe Mars likely contains remnants and indications of a past environment conducive to supporting ancient life. Microorganisms may have inhabited the red planet at some point in its history. This belief has led to the Mars 2020 rover missions as part of NASA's Mars Expedition program. The mission involves the Perseverance rover and a small robotic helicopter called Ingenuity. Launched from Earth on July 30, 2020, it successfully landed on Mars on February 18, 2021. Since then, Perseverance has transmitted astonishing high-definition images of the Martian landscape. However, the primary objective of this mission is to explore the planet's surface, collect rock and soil samples, and search for signs of past life. The collected samples, if returned to Earth, will allow scientists to study and analyze the geological features of the red planet. According to Anonymous, scientists have determined that the Martian atmosphere, in the past, may not have been as detrimental to life due to radiation as it is now, suggesting that Mars may have once provided a hospitable environment for life. Number 8 focuses on Europa, the smallest of Jupiter's 4 Galilean moons and the 6th largest moon in our solar system. Discovered by Galileo Galilei in 1610, Europa has emerged as one of the most promising locations in our solar system for potential habitability, despite no signs of life having been discovered thus far. Europa's under-ice ocean presents a potential habitat, particularly in regions similar to Earth's deep ocean hydrothermal vents. Even without hydrothermal activity, NASA's studies suggest that Europa could produce Earth-like levels of hydrogen and oxygen through a process related to serpentinization and ice-derived oxidants, without requiring direct involvement of volcanism. Interest in Europa heightened when the Galileo Jupiter probe discovered an unusually warm spot on its icy surface in the 1990s. Subsequent detections of plumes of vapors in the last decade further increased curiosity. As a result, the Europa mission was initiated, aiming to send an orbiter through these plumes to gain insights into their composition. Number 9 discusses the 2017 UFO sighting. Anonymous shared another video featuring an unidentified flying object that was captured in 2017. The footage shows a dark sky with a peculiar object hovering against the backdrop. This mysterious aircraft exhibits flashing lights, and the eeriness intensifies as a second spacecraft joins the first one. These two alien ships simply float in the pitch-black sky, seemingly observing the civilization below. The true nature of these objects remains unknown. While some may speculate that they could be advanced aircraft that we are unfamiliar with, nothing can be definitively concluded. Anonymous firmly believes that these are extraterrestrial beings either scouting our planet with intentions to invade or attempting to establish contact. Number 10 focuses on Saturn's moon, Enceladus. With a diameter of approximately 500 kilometers, it is the 6th largest moon orbiting Saturn. Enceladus is primarily covered by pristine, reflective ice, making it one of the most reflective bodies in the solar system. Despite being much colder than expected, with surface temperatures plummeting to -198 degrees Celsius, recent discoveries indicate that certain hydrothermal processes may be occurring beneath its icy crust. The Cassini spacecraft conducted multiple flybys of Enceladus in 2005 and detected water-rich plumes erupting from its south polar region. These plumes are expelled through cryovolcanoes in the form of geyser-like jets. Over 100 geysers have been identified on this moon. In 2014, NASA announced that Cassini had found evidence of a vast subsurface ocean of liquid water, about 10 kilometers thick, located in the southern polar region. Ongoing research suggests that the hydrothermal environment on Enceladus could be conducive to supporting certain organisms similar to those found in Earth's hydrothermal vents. The presence of methane in the plumes further suggests the possibility of microbial life. This seemingly small moon may hold the key to understanding the existence of life in outer space, albeit in the form of microorganisms rather than advanced beings like humans.
NASA, mankind is about to discover extraterrestrial life. This was stated by the spokesman of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration during one of the last hearings of the Committee for Science,